Hi guys, today is November 5, 2025. I will be unboxing two items today. A top from Cotton On for my niece, and this one here is an LG CordZero. It's a powerful cordless stick vacuum. Let's open this top. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Take note, guys. This is not for me. It's for my niece. I wish to this size. Okay. Nicole, can you please put it on? Well, I really like the cordless vacuum. It's really handy, especially if cleaning with the dog's hair. Look at it. Okay, I'll put this somewhere. My husband said this is my Christmas present. Oh, let's hit over. Wait. What's this? Not sure. This bit. Oh. That bit. See? Well, how can you make it longer? So we have the warranty card. Those are just attachments. Look at it. Another attachment. So many attachments. This is the heavy bit. I think this is the base for when you charge it. Like, what else is here? This is a screw. That bit. And the screw. I think that is to secure the base. I think. Something. What else is here? And this part. I think that's about it. So how will you make it? So that, I think this is good for the car or our camper van. It's pretty good to clean. But first I have to charge this. How will it charge? I think this will be put on the wall. You see, to charge it, I'm still figuring it out how to charge. Still don't know what this part. I'll wait for my husband to figure it out.
Base. This is the base that the wife didn't put anything in.
Well, I don't know what it is.
And thought it was just that. So,
I smell.
Yeah, I don't know where she went to school.
Oh, here's our model. That's the top. Oh, look at her. Come here, Nicole. Oh, look how pretty. Take a photo. Oh, look. I want one for myself, but of course the bigger size. Thank you, Nicole. Oh, stick vacuum. I can't find the stick. Where is it? See, I've already put everything. Where's the stick? See, that part is missing. Oh. Okay. Oh, here. It's hiding. So this is the stick part. Two. See, and then you have options to use. Which is this one? And just stick it. That is for the corners. Or this attachment. Again, shout out to my husband. Thank you so much for buying me a stick vacuum. This is what I really want. The cordless one. Woohoo! Last year, I unboxed this Makita vacuum cleaner, look, but it has a cord. One more wet and dry. My husband recently bought this wet and dry vacuum. He already used this in the pool. So now we have 3 vacuum cleaners in the house. So there's no excuse if this house is dirty. Huh? Hi, Peps. Alright guys, please let me know if you have this kind of stick vacuum. Yes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next